Hey everyone, welcome back to the Cozy Cottage. Beautiful day today in terms of sunshine, but it is cold. The wind is cold. Yesterday it was about plus 10 degrees Celsius. Everything was melting. It was all muddy and gross. It rained all day, so I didn't do much filming. Plus my GoPro battery died just as I was about to do some filming, but didn't really do much. Just did some stuff inside and moved some wood around. Got stuck on that hill, had to winch up, so I only did one load of wood. But yeah, today we're probably just gonna enjoy the outside. It is March break, so just here with the family, and we'll see, maybe something interesting will happen. I'll film it. If not, it'll be a really short video. But just giving you guys a quick update and wanted to say hello. Yes, the weather improves, we'll probably have a bunch of other things that we can do here. I'm really hoping this year we can throw that dock in the water with the anchors that I built last year. They've been just kind of sitting there waiting. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit like if you enjoy our videos, and we'll see what the day brings. So it was sunny earlier. Now we're under a severe weather watch. We're supposed to get snow. Winter won't go away. So sorry, short video. I don't really do much, to be honest. So not much to film, but the weather's been really insane. We've had rain and plus 10 degrees to snow to right now it's I think like minus 10, and the wind is just crazy. It's beautiful with the sun, but it's freaking cold. So anyways, gonna head home. Thanks for joining, thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and all that good jazz. And we're really just waiting for the weather to improve and the snow to go away so I can actually get some stuff done. I have some plans swirling around in my head of things to do. That garage there for sure needs a new roof this year because it's in terrible shape. And I'm actually thinking of maybe adding like a little lean-to to it and making and building a proper wood shelter, but all time dependent, so we'll see. But the roof definitely needs to go on that little garage. Bunch of trees still need to be cut up and cleaned up on the property that's fell like last year. I just hadn't had time to get to it. So anyways, thanks for watching. I'm rambling, so I'll stop. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.